Hello everyone, I'm Lennart Zielstra from Rezolve Medical. We are a different kind of startup than Vision. We focus on lower leg mobility, specifically on the ankle joint. And other than being the co-founder of Rezolve, I'm a patient co-creator. As a decade ago, I suffered a terrible accident. I dislocated my knee on a trampoline, which caused my outside ligaments to completely rupture, alongside with my peroneal nerve. Half a year later, I rehabilitated my knee, I got a surgery, my knee ligaments got repaired, but sadly the peroneal nerve was lost. And with that, there were some symptoms to be treated. Specifically, I couldn't lift my foot anymore because I lost my control of my dorsiflexor muscles, the muscles that lift your foot towards your shin. This caused me to start walking by dragging my foot and being unable to stabilize myself when standing. And a solution was provided to me for this. It was a medical ankle brace, an ankle-foot orthosis, which had a foot plate underneath my foot and a section around the lower leg, which stiffly connected to each other. This kept my foot upright and stabilized my ankle. But it came at a cost. Standing all day on this uncomfortable foot plate caused foot wounds, and the rigidity of the device inhibited my ankle range of motion. This was so uncomfortable in the end that after 2 weeks of use, I abandoned the device entirely. This was quite difficult, as I had to explain my doctors that this was not a solution for me, and they insisted that this was the only solution out there, which caused me to drop out of the healthcare system entirely. Now, to step to the bigger picture, I'm not alone in this. This happens to a lot of people that start wearing ankle-foot orthoses. There are many different reasons why you start wearing an ankle-foot orthosis, but it's approximately 80% of people abandon their device. Step to our solution. For the specific use case that I have, the inability to lift your foot towards your shin because of paralysis of the dorsiflexor muscles. This affects approximately 1 in 600 people worldwide. What we do differently is that instead of putting the foot plate underneath the foot, we put it on top. Simple difference, but that means that we leverage the shoe instead of applying the force directly to the foot. Because of that, you don't have to stand on the foot plate, which makes it a lot more comfortable. And because we are on top of the foot, we are able to move away a bit from the leg, which allows for a flexible movement beside the shoe, which wouldn't be possible otherwise. Otherwise, it would cause a lot of chafing. This allows me to have full access of range of motion, to walk stairs easily, and after a lot of training, I am even able to run. Now, there is a lot to be done because I have quite a simple form. Only my foot has to be lifted. There's other indications in which the foot has to be positioned more, where it has to be where you have to provide the foot stability when you're standing, which I can still cover with my calf muscles. And then even within the solution that we are providing, you have to give the personalized force to the leg so that you do not inhibit. Namely, if it is too stiff, then you prevent people from using their calf to push off naturally. When it's too weak, you do not lift the foot. So there is a long way to go, but currently we are working together with Basalt Rehabilitation to do our first pilot study for patients with dorsiflexor weakness or paralysis. And we are working hard with other patients to meet all the needs. We are hoping to get in touch with as many rehabilitation doctors, neurologists, rehabilitation centers, orthotists that personalize these devices so that we can align this solution well into the existing value chain. Thank you so much.